Quick and easy to use, within minutes, easily turn any frozen fruit into a smooth ice cream or sorbet-like treat, without additional fats, sugars, or preservatives. Delicious versatility. Create your own healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free treats or use the 36 included recipes to create simple, homemade desserts like pies, parfaits, and sorbets. Easy to clean. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe and the base easily wipes clean after use. Perfect serving size. Make a single serving or enough for the whole family. Peace of mind. Trusted brand for over a decade, 1-year limited defective coverage, and BPA free. If you can slice and freeze fruit, you can use Yonanas. In just a few minutes, make wholesome, delicious, vegan and dairy-free desserts with no added fats, sugars, or additives. Create your own or use the 36 included recipes. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe and BPA free. Top reviews from the United States. Good alternative to ice cream. This makes a healthy snack/dessert in a short time. 2 bananas and some other fruit makes about 2 cups that can be stored in the freezer using 4 ounces sized containers. In the summer I thaw the fruit for about 12 minutes before processing. As it is getting colder, I have increased their time to 14 minutes. I keep my house cool in the winter. By placing 1/3 banana and some other fruit in the machine, it processes nicely. I repeat this until all fruit is gone. It blends better than using 1/2 a banana at a time. It satisfies my taste for ice cream and my grandchildren love it, too. My daughter-in-law loves the fact that I serve a healthy snack when the children are visiting.